Look, that's how much money I made today with DoorDash. 13%. But look how long it took me to make it though. So even though it was only an hour and 8 minutes, look at the dash time though. The dash time is 3 hours. So this means, even though it's trying to tell y'all it took me an hour and 8 minutes, really it took me 3 hours. Now the good news is I was doing other stuff with that 3 hours. That's the good news. If I was only doing DoorDash for 3 hours, this would be all I got. But we did other apps with DoorDash. So we actively used the DoorDash app for an hour and 8 minutes. We had it on for 3 hours. And in that 3 hour period, we worked 1 hour and made 28 bucks. So it ain't the end of the world, but if I was only doing DoorDash, then I wouldn't have an extra 20 right there. You know what I'm saying? And really, this is going to go up because all the tips ain't rolled through. Check it out. This is the first order I did this morning on the earlier live stream. This right here is the KFC stacked with the Applebee's. So it's only showing $3 on this one. The KFC was an $8 order. The Applebee's was a $7 order. So that means I got $12 more coming to this order at least 12 more. And then this one got at least $5 coming to it. But old dude said he gonna raise the tip, so it might be 10. So we got at least another $25 coming on these two orders. So that means the Uber is gonna go from $20 to about $45. So we're going to have $45 here on Uber. We got $28.79 on DoorDash. And then I believe we did do one Grubhub. Yes, we did one Grubhub order this morning for $7. So all together, going off my DoorDash dash time, I had all three of these apps on for 3 hours today. All three apps for 3 hours. 28 there, another 45 once everything confirms right here, and then another 7 right here. So you know, that's how I like to break up my delivery, because if I only do DoorDash, I'll be delivering the clowns or doing something that I don't want to do. I'd rather just talk shit about the clowns in front of 145 people than actually deal with the clowns. We've been live for 2 hours. My best tip was $450, says Joshua. But it also depends on the market. On a $2,000 order, says Joshua. Why not get acceptance rate better in DoorDash, says Zayax. It will help. It will make you get way more orders than you making on Uber. I understand where you're coming from, but it don't work that way. It don't work that way. You made $90 last week. No, I made $9 last week. Look, $9 last week with DoorDash. I make that in one order. Poverty sounds gross, says Chief Handler, the Omnipotent. Last week you only made 90 bucks. I wish. Look, last week I made $9 with the DoorDash app. That's a lousy total. Hell yeah. When I dropped from 96, I stopped making good money. That's hella funny. 13% acceptance rate. Hell yeah. And I'm proud of it. If you scream, it's coming out. That's hella funny. That's for 1 hour. It's really for 3 hours. Face ass. Looking ass. It's a screenshot here that Uber got an order looking ass. Woo! Woo! Oh my God. Yeah. 2-to-1 mouse money ratio. I ain't never seen a $40 order. I don't even care if this is fake. I'm accepting that. Oh, hell yeah, boy. What the fuck is going on? $40? I'm taking that. This probably a Chipotle catering order. Oh my God. We out of here. I'm heading over there right now.